Separate your DTF or DTG artwork seamlessly, blending your art into your t-shirt without the annoying white haze or black box in just one click. ActionSeps DTX seamlessly integrates artwork onto t-shirts, eliminating waste, the black box, and white haze, ensuring professional, breathable prints. Accurately separate t-shirt art with just the click of a button. And it's packed with our game-changing Photoshop plugin designed exclusively to quickly separate your full-color DTF and DTG art with precision at the click of a button. Effortlessly transform your feathers and transparencies into halftones, seamlessly blending your designs onto black, color, or light garments. Say goodbye to those annoying white halos and black boxes. And it works with all versions of Photoshop. Included is our HD video training system, walking you through, step by step, how to separate your DTF and DTG art. Our training ensures repeatable results that will leave you and your clients in disbelief. Did I mention that ActionSeps comes with a one-time fee instead of a pesky monthly subscription? Plus, you can install our actions on as many computers as you would like. Enjoy the flexibility and freedom without having to worry about recurring charges. Act now to secure access to our exclusive ActionSeps DTX Separation Software for only $48. Now you're probably wondering, is this for real? There must be some hidden fee or scam because all other programs out there like this literally cost hundreds of dollars. Well, it's real, and we have over 1,000 happy students that are very glad they joined ActionSeps. Don't miss your chance to grab the exclusive ActionSeps DTX sale at just $48 before time runs out. Secure your spot now before the offer ends.